Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out something really cool, the Seiko 5 Sports SRPK71 US special creation, a sporty automatic watch with bold racing inspired design. Let's unbox it and see what makes it special. So here's the Seiko packaging, clean and classy, nothing to write home about. Here's the user manual. Seiko used to provide a detailed user manual back in the days. Now they just give you a QR code, so you can, that leads you to a link where you can download the user manual from. 3-year limited warranty. On first look, wow, the dial, really grabs your attention. Let's take it out of the box. As you see, this model has a striking black and red striped dial with matching black and red nylon strap, clearly inspired by vintage race cars. Let's break down the specs. So the movement here is the ever popular Seiko caliber 4R36 automatic with manual winding capability and hacking seconds, so you can stop the seconds hand to set time accurately. It beats at 21,600 VPH with 24 joules and a healthy 41 hours of power reserve. The case here is all stainless steel. It's 42.5 millimeters in diameter. It's got some great wrist presence without feeling too big. But this is what Seiko is good at. It's 13.4 millimeters thick and a lug-to-lug length of 46 millimeter. The crystal is Seiko patented Hardlex. It's better than regular mineral crystals, and it is also known to be as scratch resistant as sapphire crystals. I mean, not entirely. You could say about 95%. It's got a healthy water resistance of 100 meters, so you can swim or go snorkeling without any worries. So the main design highlights here is the black unidirectional rotating bezel. It's got this classic sport look. It's got the day date display at 3 o'clock. Let me move the minute hand aside so you can see the date more clearly, the window more clearly. Missed it. There you go. It's got the luminous Seiko Lumi Bright on its hands and markers. It's very easy to read in low light. It's got a orange second hand. In the official website it says red, but it actually looks orange in real life. Yeah, adds a nice contrast and character. It's got a screw down case back, see-through screw down. Let's take a peek at the movement from behind. I'm doing it all wrong, sorry guys. There you go. For a 35 movement. Very reliable. It would never fail on you. Let's slip it on the wrist and see how it looks. Today I'm wearing the Seiko 5 reissue of the 1969 Gene Kranz, worn by the famous NASA flight director Gene Kranz. This is the SRPL 93, limited to 9,999 pieces. It's got this is the black dial version, and there's another one with a sunburst silver dial, and limited to another 9,999 pieces. I really love this watch. I wear this daily. So let me take this off and put this on the wrist and see how it looks. There you go. On my wrist, it feels very balanced, not too heavy, and the strap is comfortable with a nice sporty vibe. The crown is positioned at 4 o'clock, which makes it easier to wear without digging into your wrist. So what are my first impressions of this watch? Well, the design really pops in real life, especially the way the stripes carry from dial to strap. The movement feels smooth, and you can feel the mechanical action when you wind it by hand. What about the design? The design, meh. I'm really starting to get bored of this same old design. I wish Seiko is hearing me say this. I and very likely a lot of other watch enthusiasts want a reissue of the original SKX, the one that this one is based on, with all the latest diver tech, better movement, 6R series at least, and sapphire crystal. I've been dreaming for such a release for years, and please move on from applying this same old design for every watches and start doing what you do best. Make unique watches. Make your watches like they have a character, a soul, something we can connect with emotionally. Make watch collecting fun again. Yes, Seiko, you're the reason I got into this hobby. Anyways, for a watch around this price point, and you can see the price here, it's $375 suggested. For a watch around this price point with true automatic movement, racing inspired styling, and a solid everyday specs, this is a very compelling daily wear. So who is this watch for? I'd recommend this watch to anyone starting a mechanical watch collection, someone who's a fan of sporty bold design, and people who want a versatile watch that still stands out. So that's the unboxing and my first impressions of the Seiko 5 Sports SRPK71 US special creation. This is a US only model, which means it's available only in the United States and nowhere else. Let me know in the comments, would you rock this on a daily basis or use it as a weekend piece? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more watch content. And thanks for watching.